Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Taurus. So, these are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstances. If you want more clarity, Taurus, in your circumstances, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have clouds, coffin, and whips. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Taurus, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you have something on your mind, something is worrying you, something uh, giving you a lot of confusion, doubts in your mind, and you don't know what to do, what choices to make, or what decisions to make. Some kind of challenges you are seeing in your circumstances, and though you are someone really responsible and a devoted person, devoted to your work, you make a lot of efforts, but today you're in your circumstances, you have a lot of distractions. Maybe you feel that you are unable to concentrate in your work or concentrate in your life, do the things the way you do usually, because there is something clouding your mind, or it may be some problems you have with your health, or you simply feel tired, maybe for some reason, and you don't want to do anything, or you feel a lot confused today. And Taurus, in your circumstances, guys, maybe you are thinking about something repeatedly, or you are having some kind of an obsession. Maybe in your work you are worried about the way things are going, and you are arguing with the people you work, or you are into some kind of habits, maybe, guys, obsessive habits, addictions, maybe, and that may be the reason for some troubles you are seeing in your circumstances, Taurus. So even in this relationship, that may be the reason for uh, things going in a difficult way. So your habits are affecting the way things are between you both, between you and this person. But you need not worry, Taurus, because I also see that uh, this negative circumstance, maybe the doubts you have, or a lack of clarity, or some habits, whatever it is coming to an end, and you are going to see an end of these difficult or frightening circumstances that is causing anxiety. So these difficulties are coming to an end, and you are going to see extreme success today, guys, in your life. So whatever was the reason, you are seeing it with clarity. So if it is some situation in your work, things are clearing up, maybe the delays or confusions, whatever it was, or in your relationship, whatever troubles you are facing. So we picked one card for your relationship, and it is Mountain. So again, this card stands for challenges. So even this challenging circumstance will end, guys. Maybe it may be too much for you to handle, but you are doing things the right way, guys, Taurus. So deep down in your heart of hearts, you will know what is the right thing to do, and things are resolving, coming to a quick end. So, just like you saw things were going in a bad way, you will see all of a sudden huge positive changes in your circumstances, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus. For your career situation, we have ship. So maybe today, if you want success and if you want to achieve it very quickly, you must think out of the box, maybe not based on your past, not based on your experience. You must think in a very, what to say, um, prompt way, what will work for you and what will benefit you, and from a different perspective. So when you make that fresh choices, things will fall into place in your work situation, guys. So you should not go by the rules or go by your experience. You must think differently and make what to say prudent choices that is going to help you today in your work situation, Taurus. So that is the reading with these cards, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it says breathe. So with this card in your circumstances today, guys, this is not the time for you to make any decisions. Maybe you are rushing into something, you want to make some choice and move forward, make that next step or decide something for yourself, but this may not be the right time for that. This is the time for you to just wait, and in this relationship or in your career situation, whatever it is, release that anxiety you are feeling, stress you are having today, and take a deep breath. Let nature take its own course. See where things are going today, guys, for you all. So in this relationship, you need to give time for that heart to open. Maybe you have faced a lot in your life, you have seen a lot of circumstances. This is the time for you to just enjoy the moment. And your heart will know what your intellect is often resisting, guys. So what you truly feel in your heart of heart, you need to follow that today, and patience will always pay off in more meaningful ways, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So this is the time for you to just have that trust in your heart for that brighter, happier future, and have that patience, and maybe meditate if you are interested in meditation. If you are someone interested in that practice, you can go for it, guys. That is going to help you a lot today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says obsession. So in your circumstances today, guys, You have some unhealthy attachment, maybe to something, maybe to a person, to a circumstance, or a habit, and it is simply slaving you. It is making you really anxious over certain things, and it is really making your life difficult day by day. So you need to take steps to free yourself from this compulsion you have, and you need to take back the power. So this obsession is holding on to you. It's just making you do things, and um, it may be something which you love to do in the beginning, but right now it is something like an addiction, and it is taking your time and energy, and it is really difficult on you, stressing you a lot. So you need to cut yourself free. This could be painful or difficult, guys, trying to free yourself from this habit or from this compulsion you have. But you need to free yourself to enjoy life in a more what to say, in a wholesome way today, and it will be a whole lot wiser on your part to do that, guys. And maybe you can ask people to help you, and you can also help people. Maybe there is someone in your life with some compulsive behavior. It may be your friend or a family member. So it is your duty to help this person, help them come out of this compulsion, and you need to try and give up this unhealthy attachment you have, maybe towards some. It may even be some habits we have, guys, or some kind of a silly compulsion, something we follow, do again and again in a ritualistic way, something we can just avoid. We will get back the time and energy we are wasting in those habits or in this compulsive behavior. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.